Start by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Begin sinking down into the chair in which you're seated. Relax your jaws, your neck, your shoulders. If there's any tension in your body, breathe into it and release it. And just relax and continue breathing. And I want you to picture that you're on a beach at the edge of the ocean. And there's a huge full moon over the ocean. Its light is shining down onto the water. And I want you to imagine that you're basking in this incredible light energy of this full moon. It's covering your entire body. Keep breathing, deep breathing in and out, and just bask in this light of this full moon. Now this full moon will help you release. What would you like to release from your life? And allow this powerful energy to expand and help you release. Imagine what you're releasing is like a balloon. It's leaving your energy field and going up, up, up in the sky. Take a deep breath in and out with this release, and continue feeling this luminous full moon light around you. This full moon light will cleanse and release all energy that holds you back or keeps you trapped in fear. As you release, you are left free and clear. And you are left free and clear to allow love and compassion to take the place of what you released. I want you to focus on your heart and put both your hands over your heart. And continue breathing in this full moon light. And this light gets larger and stronger vibration. Allow it to flow everywhere around you. Down your arms to your hands, your legs, to your feet, up to your head. Allow this to spill all over you. You've done a release. And this energy is strong vibration. Now, when you're breathing into your heart, I want you to feel its pain and joy. Feel the deep longings of the soul within. Do not define this longing specifically, but feel its essence. Let the feelings increase, breathing into them. Feel them through your whole body, pulsing outward, returning, pulsing outward again. Feel this longing. Continue deep breathing and feeling this magnificent energy of this full moon. You've released. Now ask the universe to guide you and aid you to bring in the longings of your heart. Keep deep breathing, feeling the light. Keep your eyes closed. And now, just listen. I lovingly honor the whispers of my soul and the direction it longs to grow in. I consciously accept any challenge on my path with full presence and grace. As I remain centered in all circumstances, old obstacles will fade away. The path is clear. When you're ready, release the light. Slowly return to the present moment and open your eyes. Namaste.